Many of you have heard about SOC 2 audit reports or even SOC 3. But what exactly is a SOC audit? Let me explain this in a super simple manner. SOC stands for Service Organization Control. It's an independent third-party assessment of a service organization's internal controls. A service organization is any company that handles your data, processes your transactions, or manages your infrastructure. Think about cloud providers, payment processors, or identity management platforms. An independent auditor comes in, evaluates the organization's control environment, and documents whether those controls are designed properly and operating effectively. They are testing your vendor's security posture, their data handling practices, their incident response capabilities, and controls on the systems that protect your data. So why does this matter to you as TPRM analyst? Because you can't audit your vendors directly. You don't have access to their infrastructure. A SOC audit gives you third-party evidence that an independent CPA firm has validated their controls. It's the gold standard for vendor risk assessment. Now, there are three categories of SOC audits: SOC 1, SOC 2, and SOC 3. Let us understand each one by one. SOC 1 focuses exclusively on financial reporting controls. It tests the service organization's internal controls that affect their financial statements. Unless your vendor is a financial institution handling your accounting or your payments, SOC 1 doesn't help you. In TPRM, you can skip SOC 1. SOC 2 is what you actually need. SOC 2 tests the 5 trust service criteria: security, availability, confidentiality, processing integrity, and privacy. These aren't financial controls. They are the operational and security controls that protect your data. SOC 2 reports contain sensitive information because they detail actual control implementations. That's why they are shared under NDA only. The granularity is intentional. SOC 3 is the public-facing version of SOC 2. Same audit scope, same rigor, but the report is sanitized for public distribution. Less technical detail, but good enough for initial vendor screening and regulatory compliance. If you are manually auditing SOC 2 reports provided by your vendors, you are already behind and exposed to serious risk. Manual reviews do not scale and are inherently prone to human error, making them ineffective for modern TPRM programs. Safe Security's TPRM platform automates SOC 2 report analysis using an agentic AI approach. It intelligently reviews the report, automatically answers assessment questions, and attaches relevant evidence and clear rationales to every response, eliminating the need for manual reading while enabling faster, scalable, and error-free third-party risk assessments. Want to see this in action? Request for a demo by clicking on the link in the description. Cheers.